Word on the street, my parts here. Here it is right here. He said a box here. This is my starter. And you know what? I don't see Mopar anywhere on this thing. So I want to know what the hell is this? What kind of starter is this? Guys, some of these starters are so freaking hard to do. You only want to go in with top quality starters, okay? Now, if this is what I think it is, we might have a problem, okay? Okay, let me get this open. Oh, I got a lot of paper and paper. Oh my goodness. Oh my Duralast. Come on, guys. Y'all sent me a damn box with a freaking door. I want Mopar. I don't want this crap. What the hell is going on around here, man? Come. Oh, my goodness. I can't. Oh, look at this. Anybody heard of Duralast? Okay, is this good? Nothing is better than Mopar, guys. I'm forced to use this garbage, okay? This is not Mopar or no car. Will it work? Will it last is my thing. I only want to do this once because this is hard to do on a Cherokee. Y'all stay tuned, man. As here go this Cherokee that has the starter. Now we're getting ready to put a damn Duralast starter in it. Y'all saw that short video from yesterday. All right, now let's see if I can start it. Y'all hear that? Just a click. Yes, it needs a starter, guys. How many miles? Because somebody, 164,000 miles. Man, we got to get it pushed in. All right, guys, we got it in, as you can see, using that damn pusher right there. Now, let me prove something to a hater that seemed to think Mopar started on the last. Y'all see that? 164,000 miles, roughly. All right? To that hater that think this starter went out at 25,000 miles. No! Mopar starters last a lot longer than that, guys. I got work to do, man. So this is why I only want to go in with high quality Mopar starters, not this Duralast gold crap, okay? Because this starter is extremely hard to put on. It is tucked down way underneath there, guys. So all of this stuff got to come off, and underneath that actually may have to come off. This is a starter from hell. Y'all stay tuned for the long video. I'll show y'all how I get it out. We almost there with this garbage Duralast gold starter, okay? Yes, the old one is still on, hanging on by one bolt, which happens to be way the freak down there. I had to remove this complete PDC fuse box. Yes, guys, this is not a tip-em. That's a typical fuse box. The battery is out of the way. Everything is out of my way. Now here go the hardest part about this whole job. The battery is out of the way. All of that to gain access to that upper starter bolt. Now I did have to remove this water line right here, so just get that up out of the way. I don't know if I can zoom in all the way down there, but that last top bolt for this starters right here is where we're going out there. Now you see what I got here? In fact, I'm doing a long video, so I'm going to show all of this in my long video. Right now, I'm just going through the quick, what I'm up against, okay? Yes, this is why you want to go in with quality parts. I really want a Mopar starter, but I don't have one, so I only want to do this job once. That's what I'm trying to point out. So you're going to have to guide your swivel, your extension, all the way down there to get a good bite on it. All right, y'all stay tuned for the full video. Alrighty, guys. Woo. Yeah. Your boy came through. Alright. Now, like I said, to the haters out there, y'all see that? Yes. That is a Mopar starter. Okay. It is a genuine OEM part that's been on this car since birth. However, the car now has, what do we say, 164? Remember I showed the miles? I put another clip right here for all the other guys that seem to think a starter's supposed to last forever. Yes, guys, it's okay for a starter to go bad on a car with 160,000 miles. Now, the big decision to be made is which starter do you go back on with it. Now, let's do some math right quick. If I can get 160,000 miles out of this OEM starter, why shouldn't I want a starter of the same caliber, right? I'm guaranteed at least 150,000 miles out of a starter just like this. This is a 2014 model, so it's not an old car. That would be my option, but this is an unknown, okay? I'm not saying it's garbage or junk. Well, I am saying that because I'm comparing it with a Mopar. All right, but I have no choice but to go back on with this. What is this? Y'all see that? I forgot who make that. Well, anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I got work to do. I'm gonna end this video. Y'all saw how I got that out. I wanted to highlight the struggles just in case anybody else getting ready to do it. Some people would take their intake manifold off. No, guys, it's about improvisions. Okay, learn that word, improvision. All right, guys, I gotta go. Thanks for watching.